I used Crest Whitening Strips for 7 days straight, and this is what happened.
Crest White Strips.
Crest White Strip.
Crest 3D White Strips. White.
Probably the most popular whitening system out there in the world is Crest Whitening Strips. And today we're gonna do a detailed review based on a number of categories. Number one, which is the most important, does it work? Number two, how much does it cost? Number three, how convenient is it to use? And number four, how long does it take to start seeing results? So when you first purchase these, they come in this little box right here. They tell you that the best way to do this is to use all 20 strips and do it for 30 minutes every single day. Now, me personally, I get super sensitive whenever I whiten my teeth, and even this 7-day stretch was a little bit hard on me, and I was starting to have a lot of sensitivity towards the end, but I pulled through for you guys, and because I kind of wanted to see what would happen. So the packaging is pretty simple, comes like this. It says on here that this is the #1 dentist recommended whitening. Pretty big ass. And it also says on here that they have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. And they're saying if you're not satisfied, Crest will send you a prepaid card in the amount of your purchase. So for me, it's a no-brainer to try it out and see what happens. Now when you open the packaging, comes with a bunch of these strips. Obviously I used some. I used 7 exactly. And now you're left with the rest that I can use for the rest of the year. When you open the packaging, pretty simple, easy to open. You have the 2 strips, one on the top, one for the bottom. Now let's get into our review. So our first category was, does it work? As you can see by the before and after, are my teeth significantly whiter? No. And that's partly because my teeth were already white. I haven't whitened them for months so that I can do this. But for me personally, you will not see that big of a difference, but it does work. Number 2, how much does it cost? This packet of 40 strips cost me $64. That means we paid $1.60 for each strip. Now I think that's a pretty good deal compared to whitening at the dentist or getting a custom tray. Those are gonna run you a minimum of a couple $100. So $64 for multiple whitening treatments, I think is a pretty good price. Next, how convenient is it to use? In my opinion, whitening strips are probably one of the easiest ways to whiten your teeth. You can find them pretty much at any convenience store, Walgreens, Target, Walmart. All of these stores have them. And they're really easy to use. You literally just peel the packaging, put the strip on, 30 minutes, take it off, rinse out your mouth, and you're done. And the next thing is, how long does it take to see results? Now, like I said before, for me, you're not gonna notice that much of a result that quickly because my teeth were already pretty white. But I started to notice a difference after a couple of days. And that brings me into some of the things that I don't like about whitening strips in general, and maybe these in specific. Like I said, they have a very low concentration. So it does take a little bit longer than some of the whitening methods like getting your teeth whitened at the dentist, getting a custom tray, and some of the other things that you can find online. I also don't like that these strips are pretty short. So for anybody that has a wide smile like me where I show a lot of teeth, it's only gonna reach till about right after my canines, and the teeth behind you're still going to see are kind of yellow. And I want every tooth in my smile to be white. So for anybody like me that has a little bit of a whiter smile, this might not be the best option for you. With all that being said, I'd probably have to rate these an 8.9. I think that's a really, really good score. I wouldn't say that this is the #1 at-home way to whiten your teeth, at least for me. I think there's better options out there, but it's definitely one of the top ways, if not the top 2 or 3 that you can do this at home. And also with this 100% satisfaction guarantee, I don't think you can go wrong. I didn't even know about that till today, till I made this video, but I think that's pretty cool that they're so confident in their product that they're willing to give you a guarantee. So this isn't sponsored in any way. I just like these, and people always ask me about them, so I wanted to try them out for you. Let me know if you have any questions below, and let me know what you guys want me to try next. Oh, and don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, to like and subscribe. Bye.